Open the file. We tell ourselves we will do our best work when the schedule calms down, when the meetings end, when the chat quietens, and when our inbox is finally clear. But the science suggests that this clean slate never arrives. Your calendar will always fragment, and if you do not actively defend your focus time, it will be eaten by other people's priorities. The data shows that computer-assisted or deliberate scheduling of focus blocks is the only way to protect your attention and well-being. By the end of this file, you will know the science of protected focus time, why calendar blocking works, and the simple protocol to defend 2 good hours every single day. This is the schedule trap. We assume that if we are motivated enough, we can find time to focus in the gaps between meetings. But focus is not a filler activity. Loading a complex project requires transition time, and if your gaps are only 15 or 20 minutes long, you never reach deep flow. Saha and Iqbal studied the impact of scheduling focus blocks. They found that automatically blocking out time on the calendar led to significantly higher work engagement and self-reported well-being. When the block is on the calendar, the decision to focus is pre-made, and you have a visible barrier against interruptions. To see this, we go back to the CHIWORK 2023 study by Koustuv Saha and Shamsi Iqbal. They tracked information workers who used an automated focus scheduling system. The system reserved block times, muted notifications, and protected their focus. The results were robust. Workers experienced higher productivity and less frustration. Crucially, the researchers noted that simply intending to block time in your head is weak compared to having a physical block written on the calendar. A calendar entry is a social signal that tells your team and yourself that this hour is taken. Let us look at what this evidence supports. The study does not prove that calendar blocks will make your meetings disappear or that you can ignore your boss. The safe claim is, reserving blocks on your calendar increases the probability that you will actually focus, because it shifts focus from a vague intention to a concrete appointment. This is the protocol. It is called the 2 good hours planner. Step 1. Look at your calendar for tomorrow. Identify the 2 most valuable hours of your day. Usually, this is in the morning when your cognitive energy is highest. Step 2. Write the main task you will do during those 2 hours. A block without a named task is just an invitation to browse. Write the name of the file you will write, the problem you will solve, or the code you will edit. Step 3. Block the time. Write it in your calendar. Mark it as busy. Send a social signal that you are unavailable. If a meeting request comes in for that slot, triage it. Can it be an email? Can it be rescheduled? Or can you attend for only 10 minutes? Step 4. During the block, close all other tabs, mute teammate chat apps, and hide your phone. Defend the boundary. We put the 2 good hours planner worksheet along with the meeting triage guide into a free PDF called the Focus Lab Starter Kit. It is linked in the description. Download it and defend your blocks today. Stop waiting for a quiet day. Make one. If you want the complete system, that is the book, The 4-Week Focus Lab on Amazon. Close the file. We will see you in the next one.